In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business address in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. We'll start right on the QuickBooks home dashboard so everything looks familiar. It's best to make sure you're in the correct company file and that you have admin access, since only users with the right permissions can make company-level changes. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. This opens the main settings menu, which is where QuickBooks keeps all of the behind-the-scenes controls for your company. From the menu, go to the section labeled Your Company and choose Account and Settings. This area controls your company profile, billing, and other important preferences. Once it opens, you'll land on the Company tab. If you're not there, click Company along the left side to bring up your core business details. Scroll until you see the Address section. QuickBooks often displays separate fields for different address types, so pay attention to the labels you see. The business address is typically used on forms and in your company profile. To make a change, click the Edit option next to your current business address. It may appear as a small pencil icon. This will unlock the fields so you can type in your new information. Enter your new business address carefully, including suite or unit numbers, the correct city, state, and postal code. Use standard postal formatting to help ensure your address prints neatly on invoices and statements. If you notice multiple address lines or additional address types, confirm you're updating the one that matches where you want your business details to appear for customers and documents. Take a moment to double-check for typos. Accuracy here prevents issues with mailed invoices and customer communications. When everything looks correct, click Save to update your address. QuickBooks will store your changes immediately. If you see a brief confirmation or a small check mark, that's normal and lets you know the update went through. To finish up, click Done to exit the settings window and return to your dashboard. A quick tip: open a recent invoice or estimate preview to confirm that the new address appears exactly the way you expect on customer-facing forms. If something doesn't look right, you can head back into Account and Settings and adjust the formatting. That's it. Your business address in QuickBooks Online is updated. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.